Hello everyone and welcome back to Tuscany. I am Danilo Romolini and today we are specifically in San Casciano Valdipesa, which is an excellent location to own a holiday home in the countryside because we are exactly 30-minute drive to the city center of Florence with all of the main services. At the same time, San Casciano is one of the most beautiful areas with its landscapes, the vineyards, the excellent wine produced here. In fact, this villa over here was owned in the past by the Antinori family, which in Tuscany is among the most famous wine families to still exist. And nowadays it has been fully restored in this stunning holiday home. The villa is from the 1800s. Are you ready to see it? Come with me. As you access, you will find this gravel paved driveway and you will realize that already one of the most beautiful aspects of this property is its outdoor space. In fact, it is made up of 3.4 hectares of fenced outdoor space, within which we find beautiful olive grove, which is about half an hectare, centuries-old trees with cypresses, oaks, and even an orchard with several plants. This park is gently sloped, perfectly manicured, and excellent to enjoy the summertime. The area of San Casciano is really rich of water. In fact, the property as well is rich of water, and this is used through 12 private wells in the estate, which is quite unique, and they all convey into a large cistern. The cistern then can feed the swimming pool, it can water all of these beautiful gardens, and is excellent to have so much water nowadays. Together with that, the property is also connected to the mains water for the drinkable part of the water, which is going to the villa. The swimming pool is 17 by 8 meters and it is stunning. There is also a trampoline on that side and it is beautifully positioned because you have sun all day long, and also it's very close to the villa while being in its independent terraced area with nice and spacious areas all around to relax and enjoy. Before we visit the main villa, let me also mention that the property includes this nice and cozy 60 square meters guest house that you see right behind me. It is right by the villa, so it has proximity and ease of use, but at the same time it has its own independent driveway and access. This is ideal either for guests but also for a housekeeper that can live in the property. One of the most beautiful aspects of this property are all of these outdoor terraces. In fact, there are several on different spots and of different sizes. This is creating nice conversation spots all around the outdoor area and also makes the property usable for a nice event on this large upper terrace or all around the swimming pool. Welcome inside the villa. It is 481 square meters in internal space with 5 bedrooms and 5 bathrooms. Right now we are in the main entrance. This in the past was an open outdoor space. It was a loggia. In fact, all of these large windows that you see around were not here and it was an outdoor space. Right now it has been closed and this is a beautiful area to relax. You can sit down and enjoy reading a book or a conversation over here, while on the other side there is a nice dining table. Because this space can be heated up, and even if it is in the winter time, it feels like you're being outside. It is full of natural light and you can enjoy it also in the colder months. On this other side, you find the dining or breakfast or lunch table, And as you look around, you notice lots of beautiful details, starting from the floor with these nice slabs of ancient stone all over. Going up, you find beautiful exposed stones until we find these exposed terracotta tiled arches on all of the ceilings. These are original and incredibly valuable. From the space we have just seen, we can walk into the living area, which as well presents these arched ceilings, which in this case have been painted in white, which is also making a nice and elegant finish. You have another sitting area over here, creating another beautiful conversation space, and a TV space on this side that is revolving around the fireplace. This room is so large that it has been divided into two sections. However, you could also use it as a singular sitting area or as a dining space with a large and long dining table. It's up to the layout you're looking for. From the living space, we pass through this other entrance area over here, which leads to the stairs upstairs, and through this door to the wine cellar underground, which is antique and beautifully arched. Next, we get into the original dining area, which can also access on the loggia in the front side. Here we find some antique terracotta tiles all over, another working fireplace. This was used in the ancient times to actually cook, and nowadays it can be used mostly to make the room even cozier and warm in the winter months. Here as well we find the arched ceilings like on pretty much all of the ground floors. Let's see the kitchen. Right next we find the kitchen, which is a traditional Tuscan kitchen with beautiful marble tops all over. It is cozy and contained, as in the past the owners of the villa used to have a maid that used to cook. Nowadays the concept of living has changed, and often the kitchen has more of a central role in the house, often with open plan areas. Therefore, in a remodeling project, it can be enlarged, otherwise kept traditional as it is right now. From here, we access through this door and we get into a separate access which can be used, this room, as a pantry or even as a laundry. And through this door is another independent access that as well gives natural light. Through another little door on that side, you can also get to the wine cellar that I've mentioned earlier. Between the ground and the first floor, by the way, there is a service bathroom that can serve all of the ground floor as a washroom. Then as you get on the first level over here, this landing splits into the different rooms and bedrooms. Let's begin with one of the most beautiful spaces in the house, which is the primary bedroom. This is a real primary bedroom, as it is huge, very spacious, and incredibly impressive. As you start looking at the ceiling, you find this mix of antique wooden beams with coffered detailed ceilings as well. On the floor, you find this ancient terracotta all over. This is a real suite, as there is a sitting area on that side. There is even a quite particular working fireplace on the corner. And then, of course, we have the ensuite bathroom. And on this side, you find the bedroom through this beautiful arch. This space is full of windows, therefore it's really full of natural light and it feels very nice, cozy, and relaxing. This primary bedroom is so large that if one needed an extra bedroom, you could even modify it and divide it into two sections, each bed with its own ensuite bathroom. From the primary, next we find this room, which can be really multi-purpose because you have several bespoke pieces of wardrobe, which can make it like an ensuite closet, or as well, at the moment, it is used as a laundry area. Upstairs in the attic space, there are one bedroom with its bathroom, and on the little tower on top of the villa there is another room which can be used either as an office space, a bedroom, or even an art room if one likes. Next, the house keeps going. Over here we find the next bedroom, which at the moment has a double bed, full of light, and as well we find the terracotta floors. By the way, in all of the bedroom there is air conditioning and also window screens on the windows. This bedroom over here is served by this nice bathroom right behind me. Next we find the last two bedrooms. This one over here also presents very nice details like the terracotta floor, and the next one is nice and large. These two bedrooms are currently served by the bathroom that I've shown you, or as well by another bathroom that there is up on the stairs. However, if one likes to remodel the home, this bedroom could be as well converted into an ensuite bathroom for this room over here, and even a wardrobe if one likes. I love this room because it feels very relaxing. It has this arched ceiling, which is original terracotta floors and windows on two sides, therefore it's really bright. Here we are back outside in front of this stunning pool, closing today's property tour. I think this villa really offers a great balance, as we are in an excellent location in one of the most beautiful countrysides around Florence, and 30-minute drive to the city center and the historical center. But anyway, we are also a lot closer to many small hilltop towns that offer the main services. The villa has a great size for a family, or if you would like to invite friends. Beautiful, spacious outdoor areas with a stunning swimming pool and a manageable garden and outdoor space. You even have an olive grove, so if you would like to make some oil, you can. Please let me know if you have any questions in the comment section below, and subscribe to the Romolini channel for the best homes of Italy every week. Until next time, ciao!